You file with or without leave?
Pardon, my lord?
You file with or without leave?
My lord, we filed past one to the Mutunga office. Gives us 14 days. We are responding to file them without leave, but well within the provisions of the law.
You filed?
We filed to find them.
So 2 additional.
Yes, Father.
Your Lordship, if I may. My name is Marco. I'm on record we are on record for all responses. When we appeared before you,
Mr. Mara, Mr. Bito was on his feet. They were still telling me some story.
Yes, my lord.
So that he completes, you know.
Yes, yes, well, I'll pick it up from where I left. My lord, I was saying we filed 2 further affidavits.
Sworn on?
Sworn on the 2nd of June.
Yes.
The first one by Sergeant Patrick Bwire.
Patrick?
Patrick Bwire.
Bwire.
Yes.
Yes.
And my lord, the 3rd affidavit, that is a further affidavit, was by Corporal Leonard Sierra. Sworn on the 2nd day of July, 2025. They respond both to the motion and to the petition. And they are filed within the provisions of the Mutunga case. That gives us 14 days to respond.
Yes.
My lord, we have the report present, the Director of Criminal Investigation. He is ready to explain to the court pursuant to orders of commission.
Yeah, that's what you told me.
Yes.
Yes.
No, no, no.
And then Mr. Mara took over. So
No,
does he still want to proceed?
he has already introduced the affidavits.
Okay. Senior counsel, Mr. Kibe, what are you saying?
Yes. My Lord, I think before further proceedings may take place, I wish to indicate that this morning, I believe 30 or so minutes ago, we uploaded an affidavit sworn by Lilian Wajiko Getonga, a cousin to Mr. Ndiangui Kinyagia.
Sworn by
Lilian Wajiko Getonga. Let me indicate, first of all, she's an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. And she's also a cousin to Ndiangui Kinyagia, the subject matter of the habeas corpus. We have availed a physical copy in addition to the one that we have uploaded. Basically, this affidavit
has it been served?
it has been served. This affidavit late evening, the deponent, Lilian, was informed by Ndiangui Kinyagia that he was well and safe and was calling from an undisclosed location. I had heard.
So the second petitioner informed the deponent that he was well.
He was safe,
Was
and
safe?
but in an undisclosed location. Yes.
Yes.
The second petitioner and Mr. Mohammed called me at about 9 p.m. yesterday.
The second petitioner,
No, the mother.
the mother to the second
And,
petitioner.
yes, and Duku. And I done a meeting earlier with the mother at around 5 p.m. in my office. And Mohammed Duku called me. And
Who is Mohammed Duku?
Mohammed Duku is my co-advocate.
Yes, call him your learned friend.
My learned friend, Mr. Mohammed Duku. Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. And my learned colleague, Mr. Mohammed Duku.
You know, he sounds like he's a stranger in this proceeding.
Sorry, my lord. Yes. And
So they last evening.
last evening.
Yes.
And I so they informed me, my lord, to inform me about the telephone conversation. My lord, the person who had communicated with Ndiangui Kinyagia
Why you had to file the affidavit?
That's why you had to file the affidavit. Because no, I did not talk to
Let's remain there.
Yes. Inform them that because this was a matter that was going to appear before you this morning,
Yes.
that they ought to get in touch with Ndiangui Kinyagia and inform him that it would be prudent. That was all my advice. Before you this morning.
So you asked them.
Ask them to ensure that he's present. For these proceedings today. At about 10. Today is the police court, accompanied by Ndiangui. Yeah. And therefore, because you were in court and the cameras were all over photograph. Privacy? Appears to be very traumatized. We are to come back to this court, accompanied by him. So that he is able and ourselves we are able
My Lord, as he makes his way there, just for clarification, and Senior was talking about the affidavit indicates that the deponent was contacted on Tuesday not yesterday. So for correction of the record. No.
Second petitioner contacted Lillian.
Yes. Yes. First of July.
Is correct, yeah.
But there are procedural issues of compliance. And for the safety and well-being of everyone. We
I'll read number 5.
And in the meantime on that application, we are relieved that the second petitioner applicant has been found. From our position today, we had come to dine, and our food is here. And so, I am saying about we had come to dance. Since our work as lawyers and our witnesses in court, we may miss this opportunity. It is a golden opportunity. I am reading this in line with what was found in, by your brother Justice Mugambi in petition E436 of 2024 and your brother Mohammed in E0714 2024 that orders of the court are not pious orders. They have to be complied with. Now that the director of criminal investigations is here, there may be questions that we may need to ask to prepare ourselves in the debrief that we will come to explain to court. He may elect, as we have seen before, my lord, on the day when, and his brother, Mr. Masengeli is here, on the day when the court wants to exercise its prerogative power, the petitioners are usually found. It is a modus operandi. Every time when they are almost getting to the corner in court, the petitioners are found. Now, since the director is here, my lord, we intend.
No, I will give directions. Yes, you are making requests.
Yes,
I will give directions. But I want first to take into account the interest of the family. It's paramount to me. Absolutely. We want court the second condition. We still can ask him to come. But if you want to ask him questions, I'm here, he's here.
And your directions, my lord, are very well noted.
No. If you want, he's here.
Yes, my lord, just if I may be one.
let's have it in order that we have the DCI, we have the petition, right? The person I wanted. You want to ask him questions? He's here. Let him know. I wanted to agree how we proceed. Does the family have first opportunity to talk to him? There may be something.
I'm actually drawing from your wisdom, my Lord, that in this particular instance, as we learned last time, the primary concern was the life and liberty of the petitioner, second petition, and we are glad that he's here. He's alive, he's breathing. At this point also, Mr. Amin has acted complying with the orders, he's here. And from the petitioner side, you are ready because examine it. But the family has made a request, which is also reasonable. You have a traumatized citizen who, for all intents and purposes, may be in a daze not even fully understanding what we are saying or going through. So the request to be brief, give him time to compose himself, to understand the circumstances under which it could be traced. Then we reconvene. Once the second petitioner has debriefed with council, probably gotten medical attention, and is ready now to participate in the petition, all parties come back here. And my Lord, the only point you are stressing, which now I'm guided again by your counsel, is the presence of Mr. Amin. We may need him. My Vice President, I as Deputy Designate, would have wished it happens today, but in the circumstances, it may not be possible.
Oh, he's here.
No, I'm talking of,
And we are here.
and I was going to say, my Lord, I was actually coming to that. And also recognizing that he's in charge of criminal investigation in the entire country. And getting him is sometimes difficult. And now that he's here, at least to the extent of the first petition as cancelled, we can take our bite at the chain when it is still fresh and here. And we question him, we preserve that we don't fall of instances where when we seek him to come to court, he says he has gone for an operation in Baragoi. Which may be a genuine operation or not genuine, as sometimes happen. So having blocked his diary for today, no prejudice will be suffered if we proceed with it today. But if the court is minded to consider the family request, we will equally be guided. And also, my Lord, of import in this particular instance that we don't lose focus on. In the replying affidavit signed by the respondents in paragraph 20, the question.
I have
the affidavit sworn on 30th of June 2025 by Samuel Iteg. Paragraph 20. There's a live issue which I would not wish that we gloss over. If the second petitioner were to leave court today, there is a real danger that he may be arrested or detained by the respondents. On this behalf and in the interest of justice, I pray that when the court is making directions as regards to the second petitioner, the court consider issuing an order restraining his arrest. If any arrest ends up in court, and he can be bonded to attend to this court when required, so that the question that should be of our primary concern at this point is him getting medical attention and social support.
In fact, Malone will be happy if the director will just tell us that he will not arrest him. For today, but we go just Probably just also for the court to feed the president.
I confirm the application for some protection of the second petition at this time. There is also one you are going to make, so I had to take it in giving this direction.
Yes, my lord, thank you. My lord, I've got an application to make. The first application I wish to make, my lord, is in the report of the regulations to summon the deponent who swore an affidavit in support of the petition, one Florence Muturi, to attend court in the next hearing for us to cross-examine. Because, my lord, there are certain facts that we want to that have led us to this. There are two affidavits. The first one was sworn on the first day of July 2025. 2025. 1st July 2025. And there is another one sworn on the 24th day of June this year.
So data, we should begin sequentially. The
first one is on 24th day of June 2025. Yes, that is the first affidavit. The second one, my lord, was deponed on the first day of July 2025. Work in support of the petition and the motion. Secondly, my lord, in terms of the directions of the court, the Lord, now that the DCI has come in answer to those summons, we pray that those directions will be discharged as regards the appearance of the DCI. And thirdly, my lord, the DCI, in light of what has been stated, would wish to be given an opportunity to speak on behalf of the directorate. To address my lord on behalf of the directorate. Because they feel that they have not been keeping as regards this case, and they need to be hard. My lord, fourthly,
so I didn't get you.
Today, my lord, now that you've summoned me, you want to be heard because they have not been treated fair in this matter.
They say so.
Yes, they need an opportunity. I am not free on the basis of our walk about. Yes, and Mr. Wilson.
You are mixing up.
My lord, I've addressed you first.
In behalf of the family, and there will be one time really the second. That's number one. That's the primary application I have.
Yes.
and the other people.
My answer is simple. Mr. Kibe is not a party in this proceedings. He is not a party in this proceedings. With him letting the second petition, whatever surpasses out. If he was, I would be in a position to respond. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you're not able to respond.
My response is Mr. Kibe is not. Application made by Mr. Willis Otieno, my lord. And I believe, my lord, why
Yes.
there is a prayer that was sought for the unconditional release.
That's in the original motion.
It is in the notice of motion, my lord, the one that gave direction. It's prayer number 8. So that, my lord, this is the prayer that has been sought. We have responded to this motion. And we are ready for it to be urged, my lord. And I believe it is only fair that we deal with this motion now before we consider any other oral application. I believe that you come for directions, my lord, so you can give directions on the hearing. So that
Another in response.
Find out whether I got Mr.
because you called him.
Call?
Come on,
Yes,
yes.
yes. I'm not saying I didn't. Family has a specific interest. Petitioners, counsel for the petitioners Up there so that I give directions.
Yes, Minister.
Mr. Mohammed?
Talks about the Attorney General shall promote and defend the public interest. This is a habeas corpus application, the subject matter. Family. And invariably,